Do you find yourself running out of money before the end of the month? Do you feel like financial literacy is just for rich people or business school grads? If so, today's video could seriously change your life. Welcome to Invested Intellect, the place where we unlock financial freedom, one powerful book at a time. Today, we're diving into Money Honey by Rachel Richards, a financial planner who retired at just 27 years old. Her message? Lack of money isn't the problem. Lack of financial knowledge is. In this book, Rachel walks us through 7 simple and powerful steps that show you how to stop being afraid of money, create a strong budget, eliminate debt, start passive income, and most importantly, achieve financial freedom. This book is practical, funny, and surprisingly easy to understand. So if you're ready to stop dreaming about money and start making money work for you, watch this video till the end. Because this isn't just a book summary. This could be the beginning of your new financial journey. Chapter 1. Take responsibility for your money. Stop being afraid of money. Right off the bat, Rachel makes it clear. Money management isn't hard. No one just taught us how. We learn algebra in school, but no one teaches us how to manage personal finances. So if you struggle with money, it's not your fault. But now, it is your responsibility. No more excuses. Rachel says people commonly say things like, "I don't make enough money. I don't have time to save. I'm just not good with money." But the truth is, if you don't take control today, things will only get harder tomorrow. Shift your money mindset. As long as money controls you, you can't control your future. Knowledge versus action. Plenty of people read finance books or watch money videos, but never take action. Rachel says, knowledge isn't power. Applied knowledge is. In other words, knowing isn't enough. You've got to do something. So where do you begin? Ask yourself, am I taking full responsibility for my money? Do I really know where all my money goes each month? Am I avoiding my finances or facing them? This chapter is like a mirror. It forces you to realize your money story is in your hands. Chapter 2. Learn how to budget. Have you ever felt like, no matter how much you earn, it's never enough? Even after a raise, your wallet's still empty by the end of the month? There's only one solution: budgeting. Rachel says, budgeting isn't a burden, it's the start of your freedom. Here's what she teaches. 1. What's the real purpose of budgeting? Budgeting isn't just about limiting spending, it's a master plan for your money. It shows you where your money is going and where it should go. It helps you avoid impulse purchases and plan for your goals. 2. The 50/30/20ths rule, simple but powerful. Rachel recommends this super easy budgeting rule. 50% for needs, rent, utilities, groceries. 30% for wants, eating out, shopping, entertainment. 20% for savings and debt repayment. It's balanced, easy to follow, and works for any income level. 3. Stay accountable. Making a budget is one thing. Sticking to it is another. Track your expenses. Use a notebook, a spreadsheet, or a mobile app. Break your spending into categories and set limits for each. When you see where you're overspending, that's when you can fix it. 4. Save first, spend later. Most people spend first and save what's left. Rachel says, flip that mindset. Pay yourself first. As soon as you get paid, set aside your savings, then spend the rest. 5. Control your spending. Cash versus card. Using cards makes it easy to overspend. Rachel suggests the cash envelope system. Create a cash envelope for each spending category. Once the envelope's empty, spending stops. 6. Avoid these budgeting mistakes. Making your budget too tight leads to frustration. Ignoring fun spending completely leads to burnout. Going off track once and giving up completely leads to guilt. Rachel says, budgeting should be flexible, not punishment. Bottom line, freedom starts when you start spending intentionally. Budgeting isn't boring. It's a habit that leads to debt freedom and real wealth. Chapter 3. Get out of debt. Are you carrying credit card balances? Stressed out by EMIs, monthly payments, and high interest? Then this chapter is critical for you. Rachel says, getting out of debt isn't about luck, it's about strategy. 1. Face your debt head-on. You can't fix what you won't face. List out lender name, total balance, interest rate, monthly payment. Only with this full picture can you build a real plan. 2. Proven debt payoff strategies. A. Snowball method. Start with the smallest debt. Pay it off first. Then roll that payment into the next one. Great for motivation. Seeing quick wins keeps you going. B. Avalanche method. Start with the debt with the highest interest rate. This saves you more money long term. Rachel says, choose the method that fits your personality. Both work. 3. Make extra payments, even small ones. If you only make minimum payments, your debt could last years. Even an extra 10-20 a month helps reduce interest and shortens the timeline. 4. Once you're debt-free, stay debt-free. Winning isn't just paying it off. It's staying out. Build an emergency fund. Avoid credit cards when possible. Watch your lifestyle inflation. Start investing early. 5. Debt is emotional too. Debt doesn't just cost money. It takes a toll on your mental health. Rachel says that every debt you eliminate brings back not just financial freedom, but your confidence too. Now ask yourself, what's your biggest debt? If you started adding just $30 per month to it, how fast could you wipe it out? In Chapter 4, we explore the ultimate path to freedom, passive income. Chapter 4, Make money while you sleep, passive income. Imagine waking up in the morning and seeing money hit your account. No job, no meetings, no boss. Sounds like a dream, right? Rachel says, passive income isn't magic. It's math plus consistency. If you want true financial freedom, you need multiple income streams. Because real freedom comes when money works for you, not the other way around. 1. Active versus passive income. Active income. You trade time for money. Job, business. Passive income. You work once, and the money keeps flowing. Rachel made enough passive income to retire at 27. 2. Why you must build passive income. Depending on a single income source is the biggest financial risk. Lose your job, and you lose everything. Passive income gives you financial security, work flexibility, time freedom. 3. Real-life passive income ideas. A. Rental property. Buy once, earn monthly from rent. Requires some management, but steady income. B. Writing books/selling digital products. Rachel earns royalties from this very book. You can sell ebooks, courses, templates, or PDFs online. C. Dividend stocks. Invest in companies that pay out regular dividends. D. YouTube/blogging/affiliate marketing. Create content around a niche and monetize it. Takes time, but becomes automated over time. E. Peer-to-peer lending or crowdfunding. Lend money via platforms and earn interest. 4. Start small, think big. You don't need $10,000 to start. Even 5 to 10 hours a week is enough to build momentum. 1 year of effort today equals years of freedom tomorrow. 5. Build the habit. Block 1 day a week to work on your passive income stream. Learn a new strategy every month. Invest a portion of your salary into income-generating assets. Think about this. What would change in your life if, 6 months from now, you earned even $100 to $200 per month passively? In Chapter 5, we'll dig into the mindset that unlocks true wealth and how to earn it without guilt. Chapter 5. Change the way you think about money. Have you ever felt guilty even after earning money? Do thoughts like chasing money is greedy or I don't want to be materialistic cross your mind? You're not alone. Rachel Richards explains that financial freedom doesn't come just from income. It starts with your mindset. 1. Is money good or bad? Most of us grow up hearing things like, rich people are arrogant. Money is the root of all evil. Too much ambition leads to downfall. These sayings plant negative beliefs deep in our subconscious. Rachel says, money is not good or bad. It's just a tool. Just like a knife, it can be used to cook food or cause harm. It all depends on how you use it. 2. Scarcity versus abundance mindset. Rachel breaks it down into 2 money mindsets. Scarcity mindset. Money is limited. Be happy with what you have. Other people's success means less for me. Abundance mindset. Money flows in and out. There are always more ways to earn. Others' success inspires me. People with an abundance mindset take more chances, explore new income streams, and focus on growth, not fear. 3. It's okay to love money. If you're in control, money gives you options. It helps your mom get better treatment. It gives your kids a better education. It lets you live life on your terms. Having more money also means you can give more to charity, to your family, or to causes you care about. 4. The key to guilt-free wealth: don't be ashamed of earning money. Be proud. You worked hard for it. Rachel says, financial freedom starts when you believe you're worthy of it. You didn't just get lucky. Your wealth is the result of your mindset, your actions, and your effort. 5. Stop comparing, seeing people on social media with fancy cars or exotic vacations. Don't let it make you feel small. Everyone's financial journey is different. Celebrate your own wins, like saving your first $100, sticking to a budget for a full month, getting your first passive income payment. Now think about this. Have you ever felt guilty about making or wanting money? What would change if you started seeing money as an opportunity, not a burden? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and in the next chapter we'll explore how to grow your money the smart way through investing. Chapter 6. Grow your money. Start investing today. You can earn as much as you want, but if you don't learn to invest, you'll never build real wealth. Rachel shares a powerful truth. If you leave your money in the bank, it slowly dies. That's why investing isn't optional. It's essential. 1. Compound interest, the 8th wonder of the world. Compound interest means your money earns interest, and then that interest earns more interest. The earlier you start investing, the more your money grows exponentially over time. Example, if you invest just $60 per month from age 25 at 10% return, by age 60 you'll have over $400,000. Start at 35 instead, you'll end up with only $150,000. Time is your greatest financial asset. 2. Investing isn't scary. It's a skill. Most people avoid investing because they think it's risky or too complicated. Rachel says, investing isn't dangerous, it's just unfamiliar. As you learn more, your fear disappears. 3. Beginner-friendly investment options. Rachel recommends these simple ways to start. A. Mutual funds. Start with a small monthly amount. Managed by experts. Great for beginners. B. Index funds. Low-cost, long-term growth. Tracks entire markets like the S&P 500 or Nifty 50. C. Retirement accounts, PPF, NPS, 401k/IRA, tax benefits plus long-term savings. Safe and smart. D. Stocks, for advanced users. High return potential, but requires knowledge. Learn first. Don't jump in blind. 4. The 3 golden rules of investing. 1. Start early. The earlier, the better. 2. Be consistent. Keep investing, even when markets drop. 3. Use logic, not emotion. Don't panic. Sell. 5. Emergency fund comes before investing. Before you invest, build an emergency fund. Save 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a liquid savings account. That way, you won't have to touch your investments during tough times. Now imagine this. If you invested $60 every month for the next 10 years, where could you be? Still stuck where you are now? Or financially free with a secure future? Comment below, and in the next chapter, we'll talk about the one belief that ties it all together. Chapter 7. Believe in yourself. Financial freedom is for you. By now you've learned how to budget, kill your debt, build passive income, and start investing. But Rachel Richards says, it's all useless unless you believe in yourself. 1. Stop doubting your ability. Most people lack financial confidence because they think they're not cut out for money stuff. Made mistakes in the past. Rachel's advice? You don't need to be perfect with money. You just need to be intentional. You don't have to be a genius, just willing to learn and grow. 2. Making money is a skill, not a talent. It's not just for the lucky, rich, or privileged. Rachel insists, managing money is a skill, just like cooking or driving. You can learn it. You deserve to learn it. 3. Learn from your past, but don't stay stuck in it. Overspent? Took a bad loan? Trusted the wrong stock? Rachel's answer. So what? That doesn't define you. Your next step does. 4. Celebrate small wins. Financial confidence doesn't come overnight. It builds through small victories like saving your first $100, sticking to a budget, earning your first $10 in passive income. Small wins create massive momentum. 5. Your money equals your freedom. In the end, Rachel says money isn't about becoming a millionaire. It's about living life on your own terms. No stress, no pressure, no dependence. Final thoughts. Money Honey isn't just a book. It's a step-by-step guide to transforming your financial future. Rachel taught us, money isn't the enemy. It can be your best ally. Debt freedom is possible. You can build wealth on any income. And most importantly, you deserve financial freedom. If you made it this far, you're already part of the top 5% who take their finances seriously. Now it's time to take action. Here's one question for you. If you had a 30-day money makeover plan starting today, would you follow it? Comment below and let us know. And if this video gave you even one helpful insight, share it with someone who's still living paycheck to paycheck. Subscribe to Invested Intellect, because we bring you books that don't just change your thinking, they change your wallet. From today, your money works for you, not the other way around. Until next time, respect your money, and it will respect you back.